all the way from the top till here, and I'm sitting here having some fresh air and enjoying my moment. And actually the main part of the waterfall is over there. I'm gonna walk soon, but first of all I would like to tell you one important thing, which is that I'm the person who discovered this place, guys, because before me I got to know that nobody was here to cover this place. So I'm proud of myself because this place is kind of, you know, a secret place. It's under the village. You have to walk a lot to come here, and the local people helped me a lot. They showed me this place and I'm so glad. So let's go and check the main part. To sit and enjoy the moment here. The water sound is so peaceful, and I would like to thank to my team to bring me here, and I really would like to thank them to make me feel this experience, to make me have this experience. And I will go to the main part and we'll show you. The waterfall that I was talking about. I have reached the final point, the source of the waterfall, and it is so beautiful. It's just amazing. First time seeing a waterfall in Pakistan, and here the nature is so beautiful. Undoubtedly, Pakistan is a country where you can find the natural beauty, and it is such a touristic destination. I suggest all of you to come and see these beautiful places.